Rust-Oleum's professional team is here to help extend the life of your roof with a high-performance roof coating restoration system. There are many benefits to restoring your roof with a coating system. Roof coating systems are monolithic membranes that are applied across your roof, around pipes, hatches, and other equipment found on the rooftop to fully seal and waterproof your roof. Roof coatings are applied directly on top of your existing roof, speeding up installation time and reducing costs, as the systems are not as labor-intensive as the installation of a new roof. A roof restoration system does not require the existing roof to be torn off, eliminating the contribution of landfill waste and costing you less. These systems are renewable and can be recoated to lengthen the roof life, renew the reflectivity, and ensure excellent waterproofing capabilities. A huge cost advantage to coating restoration systems is that they do not require a business to close during installation. The systems create minimal noise and have low odor, allowing minimal disruption to the occupants inside the building. Installing a new roof can take upward of a few weeks, costing business owners a great amount of revenue loss while their business is closed during the installation process. Restoring your low-slope commercial roof is faster, more economical, and less disruptive to your building's occupants than a traditional roof tear-off and new roof installation. Highly reflective top coats provide excellent UV protection to your rooftop. This additional protection increases the life of your roof and reduces roof maintenance costs. Highly reflective roof coatings also deliver a cooler and more comfortable environment inside the building, ultimately lowering your energy utility costs. Buildings can see anywhere from a 10 to 15% energy savings from converting a black to white-coated roof system. For additional support on your roof restoration project, reach out to the roofing experts at Rust-Oleum. We're here to help. Roofing@rustoleum.com.